Hi everyone, welcome. In this video you will learn how to earn money from Telegram mini app. It's very simple and easy. Let me show you the steps. First of all, you have to create a bot on the Telegram using bot father. Then you have to make a mini app. You can simple make mini app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Also you can use the latest framework like Vite and Next.js. Right now we build a clone of PayPlus earning app in Next.js. Let me show you how this app work and how we can earn money from this Telegram mini app. We will start our bot and we will open our mini app. Here you can see a button watch ad. What's that mean? We add a monetization on this Telegram app using money tag and adsgram. Let me show you money tag and adsgram. Here is the money tag. Monetize your Telegram mini app or bot. Even you can run ads in your Telegram channels. And here is the also adsgram. You can integrate it in your Telegram mini app or channel or bot. Also you can earn from them. So how this app work, let me explain. We click on the watch ad. It will run a ad and the duration of the time, let's wait. And we are running two kinds of ads, first from the adsgram and the second one from the money tag. So anyone users watch the ad, we will get impression and the reward on the website of the money tag or the adsgram. And the countdown is over and we can close it. Here you can see we get a 10 cent and total ads 1, and maximum we can watch 15 ads per day. And here is the task. Also this app have admin dashboard. Let me show you. Okay, we sign in the app dashboard. Here we can see the users and the tasks. We can also add the tasks and set the reward and the link and what kind of task is the title and the users and the withdrawal request we will get from the users. So we can get the wallet address and how much amount we can manually send the payouts to the users. And this app have 3 level of referral. Here you can see the 10 cent per reward, daily limit is 15, and the first level of the referral will get 15 cent, the second level 10, and the third level will get 5 cent of the reward. Minimum withdrawal is $10 and the minimum invite the requirement for the withdrawals of the amount is 10 minimum referral friend, and the 100 ads must watch. When you try to withdraw your funds, these requirements must be completed. And here is the withdraw section. You can get or pay the payouts in Tone or USDT on Tone network. Here you will select the amount and you can see the balance and the wallet address. When you will reach the amount of $10, then you will show an other uh, tasks complete the task, 10 referral, 100 watch times, and complete all tasks. Then you able to withdraw your uh, amount. So this app is ready. Here is the bot username, PayPlus v2 underscore bot. You can test it. If you want to buy this app and run your own app, or you want to build app similar like earning app, you can buy this app or you can contact us if you want to build your own app. Thank you.